the point Px comma y, which divides the line segment joining the points A, x1, y1, x2, y2 in the ratio m1 to m2 internally is. So for this we have a formula. Internally formula we call as an internally formula or section formula. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2 M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. So this is the formula to find internally we can also call as a section formula. If the ratios are given or if joining points are given, then we'll use this formula to find the point Px comma y. So next question is the set of A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and the set of B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our question is to find B dash A. So B dash A set of, we'll write the first values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A values 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we have to find B dash A. The elements which are in B that should not in A. So 1 is not there, 2, 3 is not there, and again 5 is not there. So our definition of this is the elements which are in B that should not in A. So answer is 1, 3, 5. So this is B minus or B dash A. Next question is n of A is equal to 7, n of B is equal to 8, n of A intersection B equal to 5, then find n of A union B. So for this we have a formula. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So we know n of A is 7, n of B is 8. Again, n of A intersection B is 5. So 7, 7, 14, 15. 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5 is 10. So this is n of A union B. So next question is the sum of first 20 odd numbers. Sum of first 20 odd numbers. So first we'll write the series of an odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, so on to 90. So these are the first 20 odd numbers. Okay. But in this case, he has not mentioned anything like sum of first 20 odd numbers. It means he has not given you between or greater than or less than. He said you only to find the sum of 20 odd numbers. So we'll write the series of 1, 3, 5, 7, and 19 is not required. This is a series 1, 3, 5, 7. So n is equal to 20. So A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 3, A1 is always considered as A, so A is equal to 1, B is equal to A2 minus A1, So D is equal to 3 minus 1. So D is equal to 2. So we use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So here n is 20 because he's asking to find the sum of 20 odd numbers. So n is equal to 20 by 2, 2a, a is 1, so 1 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1, and again d, d is 2. I can cancel 2 ones are 2 tens are, so 10, 2 ones are 2, 20 minus 1 is 19, 19 into 2, then 10, again 2, 19 twos are 38, then 10, 38 plus 2 is 40, 40 into 10 is 400. So S20 is the sum of 20 odd numbers is 400. So we move the second question. Midpoints of the line segment, that is line joining points. Midpoints of the line joining points. Line joining points is 10 comma minus 3 minus 6 comma 7. So first we'll write x1 is equal to 10, x1 is equal to 10, y1 is equal to minus 3, x2 is equal to minus 6, and y2 is equal to 7. So midpoints formula is midpoints of x1 y1 x2 y2 is x1 plus x2 by comma y1 plus y2 by 2. What is the formula? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now just substitute the values in the formula. X1 plus x2 means 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6 by 2, comma y1 plus y2, that is minus 3 plus 7, minus 3 plus 7 by 2. 10 minus 6 is 4 by 2. 7 minus 3 is 4 by 2. Then 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So you are getting answer is 2 comma. Next question. Log base 10 0.01. So log base 10. I write 0.01 as 1 by 100. After a point there is a 2 digits, 0 and 1 is it's a 2 digits. So I'm writing 2 digits because of 2 digits. I'm writing 1 by 100. Then in the next step, I'll write as log log 1 by 10 square base 10. Again I'll write log 1 by 10 square. I'll write again this as 10 to the power of minus 2 base 10. Then again I'll write log, that is minus 2 will be written in the front, minus 2 log 10 to the base 10. So minus log 10 to the base 10 is nothing but 1. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Next question is lateral surface area of a cone or a curved surface area of a cone, both are same. So we should be very familiar with the formulas when you're solving mensuration or surface areas. So lateral surface area of a cone. So what is the lateral surface area of a cone? Formula is pi r l. Pi is 22 by 7, r is radius, l is slant height. So next one is TSA of a cylinder. So TSA means total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area of a cylinder is nothing but 2 pi r into r plus h. H is the height of a cylinder, r is the radius of a cylinder, pi is 22 by 7. Next one is volume of a hemisphere. Volume of a hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. R is radius, pi is nothing but 22 by 7. So next question is the ratio between the volume of a cone and volume of a cylinder. So what is the volume of a cone? Volume of a cone first. What is the volume of a cone? Volume of a cone is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now we have to write volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is volume of a cylinder. So volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. R square h. So our question is ratio between the volume of a cone and cylinder. So we'll write the 1 by 3 volume of a cone first. 1 by 3 pi r square h ratio pi r square h. So I can cancel pi and pi, r square and r square, h and h. So leftover will be 1 by 3 is to 1. Then it is nothing but 1 by 3 is to 1 is 1 by 3 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 3. That is 1 is to 3. Next is in a hemisphere, radius is 3.5 centimeters. Radius is given 3.5 centimeters. So radius is equal to 35 by 10. Then we have to find the curved surface. LSA means the curved surface area of a hemisphere. So curved surface area of a hemisphere formula is curved surface area of a hemisphere. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is 35 by 10 whole square. Then 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. So I'll cancel with 7. 7 ones are 7 5s are. Then again 5 ones are 5 2s are. This 2 and this 2 will cancel. Again I'll cancel with 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35. Again 2 1s are 2 11s are. So there is no value at the denominator, only 1 is there. So the numerator we can see 11 and 7. So 11 into 7 is 77. So answer is 77 centimeter square. So 77 centimeters square. So we'll move to the next question. So question is cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by 4 and cosecant theta plus cot theta is dash. So we have a second identity. Second identity is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Right? So this is in the form of a square minus b square. I can write this as cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta. A square minus b square. So I can write a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. In the question itself, he has given you 1 by 4. So I can write in the place of cosecant theta minus cot theta, I'll write as 1 by 4. So cosecant theta plus cot theta into 1 by 4 is equal to 1. If I cross multiply 4, then I'll get cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 4. So we'll see the next question. So sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Sine 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Both the denominators are same. 1 plus 1. Then 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 by root 2. So denominator is root 2. So I'll multiply root 2 into root 2. Then 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2 by root 2 into root 2 is 2. You can cancel 2, 2. So answer is root 2. Right? Then we move to the next question. So question is 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. So first 2 tan 45 whole square plus cos 30 whole square minus sin 60 whole square. So 2 tan 45. Tan 45 is 1 square. Then cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Then sin 60. Sin 60 is also root 3 by 2 whole square. So 1 square is 1 plus root 3 by 2 whole square means we have to square both numerator and also denominator. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 square is 4. Same root 3 square whole square means 3. That is root 3 into root 3 is 3. Again 2 square is 4. So plus minus. So 2 into 1 is 2. So answer is 2. Class marks of the class 40 to 50, or even we can call as even the question may be mid values of 40 to 50. So we have a formula class marks is equal to upper boundary plus lower boundary by 2. So in this case upper boundary is 50 plus 40. 50 plus 40 is nothing but 90 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. 1 is left. 2 fives are 10. So answer is 54. So secant square theta minus 1. We have a identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll move tan square outside and 1 I'll get inside. That is, I'll move tan square to the right hand side and 1 to the left hand side. Then if 1 comes inside, secant square theta minus 1 and minus tan square is moving out, minus if it moves out it becomes plus. So answer is tan square theta. So the next question is the ratio of the volumes of the cylinder and the cone whose radii and height are equal. So volume of a cylinder. So first we have to write the volume of a cylinder. Volume of cylinder. So next is volume of a cone. So volume of a cylinder pi r square h. And volume of a cone, volume of a cone. So volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we have to find the ratio. So pi r square h 1 by 3 pi r square h. So pi cancel, r cancel, h cancel. So I'm getting 1 is to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 means it will get reverse reciprocal. So that becomes 3 by 1. So 3 is to 1. So mid values of the mid values are used in calculating. In calculating where we use mid values are class marks. Both are same. Both are same. We use class marks mid values in calculating the mean. So range of the data. Range of the data. So series is given 15, 26, 39, 41, 11, 18, 7, 9. So formula for range is highest value minus lowest value. Okay. So in this case, which is the highest value? I can see only 41 is the highest value, right? 41. So what is the least value? Least value at the lowest value. I can see 9 is the lowest value. Oh no, I can see 7. 7 is also a lowest value. So 41 is the highest value and 7 is the lowest value. So 41 minus 7, 41 minus 1, 41, 1 is 6, we'll get 34. So mean of the first natural numbers, n natural numbers is n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So if the mean of x comma x plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9 and x plus 12 is 10. So already the mean value is given. So we have to find the value of x. So we know the formula mean is equal to sum of the observations by total number of observations. Right? Total number of observations. Right? So mean is equal to sum of the observations by total number of observations. So mean is already given in the question. So 10. Sum of the observations are x plus 3, again plus x plus 6 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 12 by. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5. So 5 into 10, we cross multiplying. 5 into 10 is nothing but 50. X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again I'm repeating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5x, then plus 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9, 9, 18. 18, 20, 30. So 30. I'm moving this 30 outside. So 50 minus 30 is equal to 5x. So 50 minus 30 is nothing but 20. So 5x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. X is equal to 4. So the next question is tan theta is equal to cot theta. Tan theta equal to cot theta, then theta is equal to dash. We know that tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 and cot 45 degrees is also 1. Tan 45 is also 1 and cot 45 is also 1. So if tan theta is equal, it means tan 45 is equal to cot 45. It means theta is equal to 45 degrees. So let's see one more next question. The height of the tower is 100 meters when the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. The shadow of the tower, then the shadow of the tower. So this is the height. Let's assume A and B and C. So AB is the height of a tower. This is height of a tower 100 meters. So in the angle of elevation of the sun, so sun's elevation is falling at 30 degrees. So 30 degrees. Then we have to find this tower, the height of the tower shadow is falling on the ground. This is the shadow. So we have to find the BC. So we have to find the BC. Then so we use values like sine, cos, tan, cosecant, cosecant to get these values. So I'll take sine value. Sine 30 degrees. Sine 30, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Or even if I use sine also, I'll not get. It's better to take tan. Tan 30. Tan 30. So tan 30 is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Opposite is AB. Adjacent is BC. So 1 by root 3. AB is 100. And BC we don't know. The right reciprocal both LHS and RHS. Root 3 by 1 is equal to BC by 100. We cross multiply. Then BC is equal to 100 root 3 meters. So therefore, the shadow of the tower is of the tower is 100 root 3 meters. So next question is, if the angle of elevation of the top of a tower at a distance of 500 meters from the foot is 30 degrees. So he has same, we'll assume A, this as B, this as C. So this is 500 meters. So he's asking to find the height of a tower. So we don't know the height of the tower. We have to find the height of a tower. So we'll assume the height of a tower as X. And the elevation part is given. Elevation is given as 30 degrees. Right? Then let height of a tower is X meters. That is AB is equal to X meters. Okay. So we'll take tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. So tan 30 is again 1 by root 3. Opposite side is AB. Adjacent side is BC. Then I'll substitute the value 1 by root 3. AB is X. BC is 500. We'll cross multiply. Then 500 by root 3 is equal to X. So the denominator is root 3. So X is equal to 500 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Then X is equal to 500 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So height of a tower is therefore height of a tower is 500 root 3 by 3 meters. The next question is, if the mean of 10, 12, 18, 13, P and 17 is 15. So mean has already given. So mean formula is mean is equal to sum of the observations by total number of observations by total number of observations. So mean is 15. Observations are given 10 plus 12 plus 18 plus 13 plus P and 17. So observations are given 10, 12, 18, 13, P and 17 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6. Then cross multiplying. So 15 into 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6, 90. Then I have to add the numbers here. So 17, 17, 20, 30, 30, 40, 48, 50, 60, 70. So I'm getting 70 plus P, 70 plus P, and move 70 outside. Then P is equal to 90 minus 70. So P is equal to 20. The next question is median. Median of 5, 8, 3, 10, 9, 11. So first, while calculating median, we have to write all the numbers or all the observations should be written in the ascending order. So first I'll write 2, 3, 5, 8, 2, 3, 5, 8, then 9, then again 10, then again 11. So after writing the numbers, after writing the observations in the ascending order, so total observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. So for odd numbers, we have a formula n plus 1 by 2 observation. Right. So n is 7, 7 plus 1 by 2. observation, right? So 7 plus 1 is nothing but 8. 8 by 2, 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So I'm getting fourth observation. I'm getting fourth observation. So fourth observation is the median. So in the series, which is the fourth observation, 1, 2, 3, 4. So median is 8. Median is equal to 8. So next question, sine theta is equal to cos theta, then theta is equal to dash. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So it means sine 45 degrees is equal to cos 45 degrees. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. So next question is, if p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5, find the value of p of 1. So this is the value of x. So x is 1. 1 square, in the place of x I'm substituting as 1. 4 into 1 plus 5. 1 square is nothing but 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is P of 1. So if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is k minus 1 into 2, this is not 2, this is x square. So question is, if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial k minus 1 x square plus kx plus 1 is minus 3, then find the value of k. So one of the zeros, if one of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial is minus 3, then we have to find the value of k. So p of x, here he has given you p of x. P of x is equal to k minus 1 x square plus kx plus 1. So in the question, one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is minus 3. So one of the zeros of the quadratic means when I substitute minus 3 in this p of x, we will get zeros of the polynomial. Means p of minus 3 will be 0. So this p of minus 3 is 0. This is given in the question. So if I substitute, if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is minus 3, so we substitute here minus 3, then k minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus k minus 3 plus 1. P of minus 3 is 0, k minus 1, minus 3 square is 9, minus 3k plus 1. Again, 9 into k is 9k, 9 into 1 is 9, minus 3k plus 1. So 9 minus 9k minus 3k is 6k, minus 9 minus 1 is, that is 8. So if I move 8 outside, 6k is equal to 8, k is equal to 8 by 6, 2 fours are 2 3s are. So I'm getting k is equal to 4 by 3. So we'll see the next question. If the median of the data x by 3, x by 2, x by 4, x by 9, x is greater than 0 is 5. So in the question, so median is already given. So first we'll write the observations. X by 3, then x by 2, then x by 4, then x by 9, then x. So median is already given. Median is 5. So it's already given median is equal to 5. So total how many observations are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So according to the formula, n plus 1 by 2th observation so what is n? N is 5. 5 plus 1 by 2. So 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So third observation is median. So 1, 2, 3. The third observation is median. This is median. So median is equal to median is equal to x by 4. So median is given in the question is 5. Is x by 4 cross multiplying x is equal to 4 5 are 20. So the value of x is 20. So moving to the next question. If secant theta plus tan theta equal to 3, secant theta minus tan theta equal to question 1. So we have identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is in the form of a square minus b square. I can write secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. I have written a plus b into a minus b. Already in the question he has given you that secant theta plus tan theta is 3. So in the place of secant theta plus tan theta, I'll write as 3. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. I'll cross multiply 3. Then secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. So next question is the common difference of an arithmetic progression. This is 25th term minus 12th term is minus 52. So 25th term minus 12th term is minus 52. So you have to find the common difference. So A25 minus A12 is equal to minus 52. A25 can be written as A plus 24D minus A plus 11D. 12th term can be written in the form of A plus 11D is equal to minus 52. So now A plus 24D minus into plus is minus, again minus into plus is minus 11D is equal to minus 52. I can cancel plus A and minus A. Now the leftover will be 24D minus 11D is equal to minus 52, right? So 4 minus 1 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 13D is equal to 52. So D is equal to minus 52 by 13. 13 ones are, 13 fours are. So D is equal to minus 4. So next question is the distance of 3 comma 4 from the origin. Origin is nothing but 0 comma 0. So we have to find the distance of 3 comma 4 and 0 comma 0. So x1 is 3, y1 is 4, x2 is 0, y2 is 0. Now we have to write the formula. So what is the formula? The distance between 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2 is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula. So I'll substitute in this formula 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. Then 0 minus 3 is nothing but minus 3. Minus 3 square is 9. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 4 square is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. So root 25 is 5. So here the question is if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, question is x square plus 5x plus k and alpha minus beta equal to 3. And then the value of k. So we have to find the value of k. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, x square plus 5x plus k and alpha minus beta equal to 3, then the value of k is equal to dash. So the polynomial is given x square plus 5x plus k. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. So compare with the polynomial, quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. So the value of a is 1, the value of b is 5, the value of c is k. Okay. So sum of the roots. Sum of the roots. So sum of the roots means alpha and beta are the roots. Sum means we have to add. So sum of the roots means alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is sum of the roots. What is sum of the roots according to the zeros of the polynomial? Minus b by a is sum of the roots. So sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a is equal to alpha plus beta. Then what is b here? Here b is minus, that is b is 5, a is 1, then alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is minus 5. Minus 5 by 1 is minus 5. Already in the question he has given you alpha minus beta. Let us assume this as 1. In the question alpha minus beta has given equal to 3. Let us assume this as 2. Solving 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 5. Alpha minus beta equal to 3. So I've written the first equation alpha plus beta equal to minus 5. Then again alpha minus beta equal to 3. I'm solving it. Plus beta and minus beta cancel. Alpha is 2 alpha. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So alpha equal to minus 2 by 2. 2 cancel. Alpha is equal to minus 1. Substituting in 1. So what is 1? 1 is alpha plus beta is equal to -5, right? So alpha is -1 plus beta is equal to -5. If -1 moves out, beta is equal to -5 plus 1, beta is equal to -4. So alpha is equal to -1 and beta is equal to -4. The slope of the line passing through the points. So the formula for the slope of the line is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is the formula to find the slope of the line. So in the question, x1 is -1, y1 is -1, x2 is 1, y2 is 1. So if I substitute y2 minus y1, I'll get, so y2 minus y1 means 1. Slope is always indicated with the symbol m. Always the slope of the line slope is denoted by m. So y2 minus y1, y2 is 1, minus of -1 by x2 minus x1, again 1 minus of -1, then 1 minus of minus is plus, minus of minus is plus, 1 plus 1, so that is nothing but 2 by 2, 2 cancel, so m is equal to 1. So slope of the line is 1. So sum of the zeros. So polynomial is given x square minus 4x plus 3. Compare with the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. The value of a is 1. The value of b is -4. The value of c is 3. Sum of the zeros. So sum of the zeros are nothing but alpha plus beta. So sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a, minus of -4 by a is 1. So minus into minus is plus, 4 by 1 is 4. So sum of the zeros is 4. So in this question, discriminant of 5x square minus 3x minus 2, compare with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the value of a is 5, the value of b is -3, the value of c is -2. Then formula is, discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac, b is -3, 4, a is 5, c is -2. Then -3 square, minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9, minus into minus is plus, 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40. So you're going to get 49. Nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP is nothing but an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is the first term and d is the common difference. So tan a is equal to √3, then cot a is equal to dash. Tan a is equal to √3. So in tan, where will get √3? Tan 60. Tan 60 degrees. If I cancel tan and tan, so then a is equal to 60 degrees. So the value of a is 60. So cot a, that is cot a means cot 60. Cot 60 means 1 by root. Class marks of 20 to 29. Class marks formula is Class marks formula is upper boundary plus lower boundary by 2. It means 20 plus 29 by 2. That is 20 plus 29 is 49 by 2. Divide 49. So 49 by 2. So I am dividing with 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 9. Again 2 4s are 8. 1 will be left. Point 0. 2 5s are 10. So class marks is 24.5.